Everybody, so today we're going to take a look at that blank that I got from Childers Guns. They specialize in doing a lot of recreations of original receivers for AKs, and I don't even know what all else, but you can always get custom markings. You can just get all kinds of cool things when you order one from them. Of course, as you saw in my last video on that M72, I told you that I had gotten one of these because I want to complete the look, the authentic look of that Yugo M72, and I got mine in the mail. It took them quite a while actually, but of course mine was kind of a special order. It wasn't just a cookie cutter one. I had a few little extra things added to mine. But without further ado, we're going to take a look at it. I also got a layout, a whole layout guide in here as well that I ordered from them just to make my life a little easier. Let's get that packing slip out of the way. So there's that layout guide. It's just simple, looks like simple Delrin actually, just to help you in the ease of finishing this thing out. Then along with that, I just got a transfer punch, which helps to transfer these whole locations onto this blank. But what you guys are probably really curious on is, what do their blanks look like? Are they any good? Do they look like junk? Honestly, I don't know. But let's find out together. It might look like junk. I really hope it don't, but you know, my big thing is, like I said, I wanted to complete the look of my M72, and that's precisely why I purchased this from Childers. Very cool. So there is that original Zastava Yugoslavian engraving. Of course, you have your selector markings there. Your guide rails are already in there. Of course, this is a bulged trunnion. As you guys saw, that was a bulged trunnion on that M72. And it looks quite nice. It's already finished, other than the additional work that I have to do on it. But kudos to Childers. I mean, this thing looks gorgeous. It's got the markings on it just like I wanted. That's nice. I really like it. Because I ordered it with the URJ markings there on the selector. Of course, I ordered it with the Yugo logo, which is what I wanted. Got it over here on the right hand side. Yeah, this thing looks awesome. Can't wait to finish this out and complete my M72. So if you guys have, well, all of it looks really good actually. But I did want to tell you guys, if you guys have a bunch of kits out there that you want to make look as authentic as possible, Childers is definitely one of the ways to go. I mean, I don't really know how you could end up with something nicer, unless you go to Recreator maybe. But I'm super stoked about this. This is definitely going to complete the look of my M72. Hopefully you guys will see that in a video in the future. Nice addition. They do have the slot right here to put that rear sling swivel. I just thought about that. I didn't even think about it when I ordered it, but I am glad it's there, just to make this thing as authentic as possible. Looks like they might have got into some issues here where they put the trigger guard holes, but I think since that's really not that critical of an area, I think the rivets will still cinch down just fine for that. But super stoked about this. This is awesome. So make sure you consider them if you want to take and make something as authentic as possible. Wow, this lighting is absolutely terrible. Anyway, I may have to insert a picture, but there it is. from Childers. Like I said, they have plenty of options out there. You can get them custom engraved with whatever you want, especially if you live in particular states. Wink, wink. So anyway, there you have it. Just wanted to share this with you guys. Be on the lookout for more videos. Got plenty more content on the way. And as always, thank you to my subscribers. Thank you guys for all your likes, your shares, your comments. Until next time, you guys have a great day.